Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to see your messenger password. Let's say for one reason or the other, you've forgotten your messenger password or you want to have access to it. First thing you do is, you open up your settings, tap on settings, then you search in your search bar for password manager, tap on it, and then you open up your password manager. So here you search for messenger. Now most phones have password manager, and I'm actually using the Google one. So I tap on the search bar up here and tap in messenger. Now there's nothing there, no problem, just tap in Facebook, because most times normally your Facebook password is your messenger password. So you tap on Facebook, you see the option, the password saved on the Facebook down here. So I'm going to tap on this. Now you're going to authenticate yourself to make sure it is you. Once you verify that, you can see, so you simply tap on the eye icon next to the password to see it. It is as simple as that.